Introduction. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce your image file size from megabytes to kilobytes using Photoshop 2026. This is useful when you need a smaller image file for uploading, sharing, or saving storage space. To reduce an image file size from megabytes to kilobytes in Photoshop 2026, first open the folder containing your image. Right-click the image and select Properties to check its current file size. For example, the image may be 1.83 megabytes. Next, open the image in Photoshop. Then go to File, Export, Save for Web. Change the preset to JPEG Low, then adjust the quality to around 8 to reduce the file size. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click Save, choose the folder where you want to export the smaller image, enter a file name, and click Save again. Finally, go back to the exported image. Right-click it, select Properties, and check the file size to see how much the megabyte size has been reduced to kilobytes. And that's how you can easily reduce an image file size from megabytes to kilobytes in Photoshop 2026. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thanks for watching.